Enjoy!
7:59 a.m.
Yo, where my chair at?
Good morning, class.
Morning, mister.
Today, we'll be working in teams creating a 3D figure of 1,269 inches. You're going to be given some supplies. You'll be given spaghetti noodles, tape and glue. You'll be working with your table mates on this. And everybody, yes. Again, you'll be working with your table mates. You will not be able to choose your own partners.
No, that's unfair.
You have to use all of your materials,
Why do you take something
and
out?
you must meet the required volume.
For
Any questions?
Yes, mister.
Yes, Malik.
Can it be over?
No, it must meet. Mhm. So you're gonna have to use all of those skills that you have already gained this school year. All right?
Mister,
Yes,
they're
ma'am.
bullying me about my height.
It's all right, Lane.
I said 1,000.
Just you'll hit your girls first.
You're gonna wish it.
No, we're gonna have to work with who we have at our team.
Wait, can we just keep one person out? Ashley.
Mister, he
You
came
have
in
lots
late.
of friends, but it's all right. You
Came
can
in
work,
late.
you can work alone. You don't have to worry about anybody bossing you around.
Mister, come on, give that kid attention. You give me the attention when I show up late.
Okay.
Is this racist?
All right. Was that like?
Okay, we're
The next day,
Hey guys, what's the plan for today? No, do that podcast. Yeah. Do you guys know what you guys are bringing? What's Malik bringing?
Oh, I heard Malik was bringing
Another bag. Oh, what's up, bro? Do you know what you're bringing for today? Yeah, I'll bring a spoon. Alright, I'll bring a couple extras. They can help us build. Bro, you know I'm not gonna show them unless we just meet at Deckers.
What kind of snacks do you want for project?
I don't know. Just grab a lot. It's alright feeding 6 people.
How much money do you think it's gonna cost me?
No idea. Hey, where's Leanne? I got a text message from her saying that she's already at Deckers. But where's Jason? Hey, you guys know that that was at an interview. Shut up!
Where's Malik?
Oh, I saw him when I was
Hey, I'm sorry I'm late, bro. I have to go home. I'm dropping off my stuff.
Are you that tired?
Yeah. Woo! Running up the stairs is tired.
12 seconds
Hey,
later.
I'm sorry I was late. I was just dropping off my stuff at home. Oh. My mom made me wash dishes too, bro. Okay. Leanne was inside, yeah?
Yeah, that's what she texted me, I mean.
Yeah. Alright. Hey, Mr. Baker.
Good afternoon, guys.
What's up, mister?
Thanks for letting us use your room.
We work
Work right there?
here.
Sure. Alright.
This is a 2D version of our spaghetti house. As you can see, there are two shapes. One is a triangle and the other is a rectangle. This means we need to find the volume of two 3D shapes. First, we will find the volume of the rectangular prism. We know that the total volume must be 1,269 inches cubed. To find volume of a rectangular prism, we have to multiply length, width, and height. So let's start with these measurements. 18 times 6 times 6 equals 648 cubic inches. Now, after finding the measurements for the rectangular prism, we need to subtract that number from the total volume to figure out how much cubic inches we have left for the roof. Now we have 621 cubic inches left for the roof to fill up.
We also know that the volume of a pointy figure, as you would say, is by multiplying base area, which is BA, by the figure's height and then dividing it by 3.
We note that the length and width of the pointy figure will be 18 and 6 because it will share the same with the rectangular prism. Looking at the bottom of the figure, it will make a rectangle. Now we have a missing height value. The original equation is 621 equals 18 times 6 times the height. then multiplied by 3. 1,863 equals 108 times the height divided by 108, whereas 17.25 equals the height. This means that the missing value for the height of the roof will be 17.25 inches. 18 times 6 equals 108 times 17.25, which also equals 621. This means that the rectangular prism has a volume of 648 cubic inches and the rectangular pyramid has a volume of 621 cubic inches. When you add them together, it should make 648 plus 621, which equals to 1,269 cubic inches.
Now that we know those measurements, we can start building now or whatever.
Much later.
Time for bloopers. Oh yeah, also the credits.
Yeah, I'm gonna take my horse to the old town road. I'm gonna ride till I can't no more. I'm gonna take my horse to the old town road. I'm gonna ride till I can't no more. I got the horses in the bag, horse stock is attached. Head is matted black, got the bushes black to match. Riding on a horse, you can whip your Porsche.
Okay, class of good morning. We're going to bust down Tatiana.
Hit or miss, I guess they never miss, huh? Until I do what I hit you with that do-do-do-do-do. Oh yeah, hit you with that do-do-do-do.
Bob's or Vagana, whichever will it be. Sit down, T-Series, I'm here to spill the real tea. You tryna dethrone me from spot on number 1, but you in the year you lose, so best think you haven't won. When